at the corner of Sanctuary and Preservation Drive. We are looking at a Drobenko house. Here's the contact information. This is lot 16, block 7. Let's take a walk inside so you can get a look at what your views are going to be if this becomes your home. As you can see, they're busy working on this place. And let's step inside so you can get a view out your windows. We don't use drones in this subdivision. We want to show you the views from your house. And this is what you can expect. Just incredible. So again, this one's under construction, and they're moving pretty fast on this one. So get a hold of Elena and make this your home. Thank you.